is full. Airspeed's alive. Going off the ground. We're crabbing into the wind. 25. We're looking good.
Coles County Memorial Airport, Mattoon.
Mixture's full rich. Landing lights on. We don't have a landing gear. Seatbelt. Anyway, we then got back. We're getting back on course right now. 68 knots across the ground. A little over an hour back to St. Charles. Getting back. Slow now. 20 knot. About a 20 knot headwind right now. But we enjoy it. I enjoy flying. I do all the time, and then I stopped, and now at 1415. Went for runway 18, St. Charles. I turn that landing light on. The smoke's coming. That smoke coming out of the smokestack, but I'm going to jinx myself. It's gusty as all get out. 709er. Don't need the flaps yet. Landing lights on.
8,600. Temperature to
check, double check, and we'll check the wind.
Zulu. Wind 100 at 14. Peak gusts 21. Temperature 29 Celsius. Dew point 22 Celsius. Altimeter 2956. Remarks. Density altitude 2,600. St. Charles County Smart Airport. Automated weather observation 190.
What that static is.
1,000 receiving fire numbers, whatever Sullivan, clear below 10,000, Sullivan.